multi-speed adults. And we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 multi-speed adults. I would say BMX freestyle. No toddlers, no 18s, no 12s, mostly 20s and kids 24s. About 4 multi-speed suspension. So we got a total of 15, 5 of each. A day in assembly. A day in assembly. We have 6 mountain bikes, 3 BMX freestyle, 2 kids, and 1 toddler kids. This should replenish the rack for the bikes that needs to be replaced. Simple builds for today. No issues. All brakes are tight. Gears are good. All handlebars secure. Very comfortable with adding these bikes to the bike rack. A good day in assembly. And last but not least, but most important of all things, make sure that your trash is separated from cardboards and plastics. Very important. Make it easy for them to dispose, which makes it very nice and professional. A day in assembly.